Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you could head to incomeinvestors.com, where you can find the link to the website in the description below. With a market capitalization of $2 billion, today's income pick is Delek Logistics Partners LP, traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol DKL. It is on the upper end of being a small cap stock, but it might graduate to mid cap in the near term. The company continues to grow revenue, delivers strong profits, and generates free cash flow. And thanks to that free cash flow, Delek Logistics has been able to grow its dividend for 47 consecutive quarters. John?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. Yeah, Delek Logistics Partners LP is a midstream energy master limited partnership that owns, operates, acquires, and constructs crude oil and refined products logistics and marketing assets. The assets are company-owned and via joint ventures. Now, the partnership operates through four major business segments: gathering and processing, wholesale marketing and terminalling, storage and transportation, and pipeline joint ventures. Now, Delek's key area of operations include areas around the Permian Basin, the Delaware Basin, and other oil-rich basins in the Gulf Coast area, which includes Texas, Tennessee, Arkansas, and I think Oklahoma.
And I was reading on incomeinvestors.com that it reported another quarter of record results.
Yeah, Delek Logistics continues to have a pretty great year. After reporting strong first quarter results, it reported record second and record third quarter results. Now, for the third quarter ended September 30th, 2024, Delek reported net income of $33.7 million or 71 cents per share. Net cash provided in operating activities was $24.9 million, while distributable cash flow, as adjusted, was $62 million. Third quarter EBITDA was a little over $69 million, while adjusted EBITDA was up almost 9% at $106.8 million. The company didn't provide any guidance, but Wall Street analysts expect the company's full year earnings to grow from $3.23 per share in 2023 to $3.57 per share in 2024. And rise to $4.42 per share in 2025.
If you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you could also sign up for our free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. And now back to the video. And John, this company recently announced the 47th consecutive increase in quarterly dividend.
Yeah, thanks to a strong cash flow, which has increased in 3 of the last 4 years, Delek is able to provide investors with a reliably growing quarterly dividend. In 2023, it reported free cash flow of $124.9 million. While its free cash flow over the trailing 12 months has already surpassed that level at $147.23 million. Now, free cash flow is important because it helps fund dividends and service debt. This past October, the company's board approved the 47th consecutive increase in the quarterly dividend to $1.10 per unit, or $4.40 per share on an annualized basis, for a frothy forward yield of 11.34%. Dividend hogs can look forward to more of the same. Compared to statements in its third quarter results, management said, and I quote, "We are proud of the 47th consecutive increase in our distribution, and we expect to continue to increase our distribution in the future." End quote.
Finally, let's talk a little bit about how is DKL stock doing.
In addition to a growing dividend, Delek stock has great potential. As of this recording, Delek stock is up just slightly, like 2.8% year to date and 0.1% on an annualized basis. On the other hand, it's also up 7.5% over the last 6 months. And the outlook for DKL stock looks a little brighter. It's currently trading at $39.94 per share, and conservative Wall Street analysts believe DKL stock can hit a high of $50 per share over the next 12 months. And that would put DKL stock at its highest trading level since June of 2023. Now, should DKL hit that level, that would put it in reach of its February 2022 record high of $52.06 per share.
John, thank you so much for your insights. There's a lot of reasons to like Delek Logistics Partners LP. It's a financially robust oil and gas play reporting record financial results. It's expanding its operation and has raised its dividend for 47 consecutive quarters, and with management saying that it expected to continue to raise its dividend going forward. The company actually targets a 5% increase in annual distributions. Judging by its record and strong free cash flow generations, 2025 could be another year of strong share price gains, and inflation thumping dividend growth. Or we imagine that's what management is hoping for. Insiders own a massive 67.2% of all outstanding shares, which should motivate them to perform well. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.